view of the golf course. And you have swimming pool. And this is the living room. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been a minute, honestly. I came back from Zimbabwe. It's been what? 2 weeks now, and I didn't film. I think I go back on the 5th. Today, I'm picking up my phone again. Hope we're going to be consistent. Anyways, today I'm so excited. I just acquired another property, and this is a good one. I'm excited about this one. So I just picked up the keys and from the tenants that were here, because the owner doesn't live in Rwanda. And honestly, I'm super excited, and they're so nice. So it's a couple that was living here from Morocco. They've been in Rwanda for 2 years, and they just left Rwanda. And when I came to pick up the keys, they had prepared lunch, and it was some Spanish dish called I think it's paella. I'd never tested it, but it tasted so good. So I found them to be so kind, and it's sad to see them leave Rwanda, but I'm getting a good apartment. So let me show you the apartment. It still has a lot of work to do actually. So I asked for my lease to start on the 15th in a month time, because there's a lot of work to be done on the apartment. They've been living here for 2 years, so there's a lot of stuff to be done, and I'll give you like an update once the works are done. Honestly, as I sit here, I keep seeing things that need to be done. But it's still an amazing opportunity. I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So let me show it to you right now. First of all, those views, honestly, that's why I took it. Look at the stadium and the arena. And then this is the living room. I feel like it has a lot of furniture, so I don't know if I'm gonna remove some, but I feel like there's too much furniture. That's the kitchen. I really loved it. Let me show you the view from the kitchen. Like literally you're doing your dishes and you have that view. I'm so excited about this property. And we have 2 bedrooms. So this is actually for business. This is not for me to live in. So this is for my other side business. I haven't figured out how much I'll be renting it for, but I'll be renting it per night. So let me show you some of the works that need to be done. So we have a lot of water damage there. That has to be fixed. So each bedroom has a bathroom. And the second bedroom, I need to buy bed sheets, I need to buy new towels, I need to buy, this is the second bathroom. So yeah, I'm super excited about this one. Let me know, should I change the yellow, the color, the paint? Should I change it to white and they keep white and red? I asked the tenant and he was like, I don't think you should do that. But yeah, this is the apartment. Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. Right now I'm on a construction site. Honestly, I feel like I live on construction sites my entire life. I'm on one, it's on Monday at 5 p.m. and after this one I'm going to another construction site. But I love following up with work, progress, before the house goes on the market. There's a lot that goes into it, and real estate agents also play a part, because we advise owners on what clients are looking for. So it's always important to have a real estate agent included in whatever process you're doing. because they usually talk to the clients and know what the clients are looking for. Best. Today is a Sunday. It's the car-free day. I did a bit of working out in my neighborhood, and now I'm enjoying some alone time in the park. It might be a crazy day, work and fun at the same time. Just giving it a balance. So let me show you the cute park in my neighborhood. So this is another property that I acquired in Nyarutarama. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Shout out to Fab Lab for helping me out because I didn't like what it looked like and I had to make some changes. So I had to buy a lot of kitchen appliances. I had to buy coffee maker, blender, and I also had to get linen. I had to put some decorations, so thank you to Fab Lab for doing everything with me. And this is what it looks like right now. So this I rent for $90 per day. So if you're in Rwanda for a short period of time, hit me up. I have about 6 of these, so I'm happy to work with you. And if you want to see all the photos of my short-term properties, please go to Urban Nest Stays on Instagram and DM me. Hello, happy Monday. I just got back from the gym. I had breakfast and I'm happy to start the week. This week is gonna be very stressful. So basically I have 2 apartments to work on. I invested in 2 apartments. I don't know what I was thinking, but they were both a good deal and they came at the same time, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna deal with the stress of it later. But already renovations were supposed to start today for one of them, and the construction worker has ghosted me. He said he can't make it today, he'll come tomorrow. So I kind of expected it, but I'm like and then before that the landlord ghosted me. Literally after paying my advance payment, he just went quiet. The agreement was that he was going to pay for all the renovations because that's what the contract says, and it makes more sense because it's his property. I shouldn't spend money on his property. But guess who ghosted me? So now I have to use my money, and the construction worker has gone, I don't know where. You know what, I'm just gonna do my hair, because if we don't laugh about these things, we're gonna cry. So I'm just gonna do my hair. Pray for me. This is not gonna be an easy week. I'm just glad I managed to go to the gym because it helps me mentally, but I'm not ready to deal with anyone literally, I feel like. But I'm excited about the project. I'm excited about the renovations. I have a vision in my mind of what I want it to be. So it might take long, but we're grateful and we're hopeful that it will come along. And one of them, actually, the first client is coming in this weekend on Saturday. So I have 5 days to make it look like what I want it to look like. But I'm gonna bring you along on that journey. The good, the bad, you know, we're gonna cry, we're gonna laugh, but I'm hopeful that the outcome will be perfect. So have a good week. So these are the works that need to be, this whole cabinet, like this, the two, they gotta go. One. And then there was a bit of damage here that needs to be repainted here as well. And I'll take you to the bedroom. Look at that. So that whole thing, they need to change that. They need to repaint this. Look at that. And then this part. Make it make sense, honestly. Make it make sense. I wanted to show you this unit that my client is taking. I think I've filmed phase 2 of this developer's properties, but the phase 1 is everything. Also, shout out to Canaan Group for their customer service. Literally, this was the day the client moved in and we found wines and champagne, and they went all the way to restock the fridge so that the client wouldn't have to buy new things on her first day. She was super excited. This blew us away. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. Today is a Friday. It's BAL, so the finals are in Kigali. Honestly, it's the most fun event in Kigali. So I think Cape Town is playing with another team that I don't know, but I'm excited. There's a concert, there are singers, and I can't wait. I'm only going for the concert, honestly, and the vibes, and I'm already late, but I'm really excited about this concert. I feel like this is bent in a way. My hair is a mess today, just stayed, because first on my list was to go do my hair, and then I was in meetings after meetings after meetings. The only thing I wasn't gonna do is miss the game. So this is plan B, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's go to BAL.